Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to repeat a recently published Duke University mass experiment at home. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dr. Han. Now in this channel, you will find science review content and updates on the latest global health topic. I also like to share tips and tricks for students' academic and personal development. If these are your interested topic, please consider subscribe to the channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today's video is actually a little bit different. Instead of having me summarizing the latest mask effectiveness study published by the Duke University, I'm actually going to see if I can reproduce a small part of it at home. Yes, at home with household items. So without further talking, let's go to the screen. So the researchers from the Duke University conducted an experiment to look at the effectiveness of each type of mask using a very simple setup containing a black box, a very high power lab grade laser, and a cell phone to look at the droplets being produced with talking. Now in their experiment, they basically just talked into this laser box with or without mask or with different type of mask, and to see how these droplets being caught in between the laser light. And surprisingly, the main result reported that fleeces or bandages offer very little help to stop respiratory droplets. It actually makes them even bigger. And N95 mask, not surprisingly, is the best of all masks. And surgical mask ranks the second in preventing droplets from spilling out from the speech. Alright, let's take a look of my homebrew mask experiment. First of all, let's look at my setup. So I happen to have a box from a turtle tank filter laying around, so I recycled it and I poked a hole on there and put my laser level into the hole so that the laser is captured inside a dark box. And I make a hole on top of the box and lay my cell phone camera on it so that I can capture the footage. And looking inside the box, I have my laser level on, and the laser is in a beaming single beam situation. And let's look at the experiment.
Stay healthy, people.
Let's look at it at slow motion and where the arrow is pointing. So the experiment was able to show some effect. Now, first of all, this experiment was a very quick and inexpensive way to reproduce the Duke University study. All I had was just a recycled box, a laser level, and a camera from my cell phone. And the surgical mask did show some effect of reducing droplets from my sneeze. But however, there are a lot of limitations within the study. First of all, the laser from the laser level was too weak to capture all of the droplet. And of course, I did not test other masks because I didn't have other masks laying around at home. And being able to only show a sneeze was not quite enough. Okay, I was hoping to be able to show some differences with the talking, but this laser was not powerful to capture the droplet in that sense. And lastly, there were no quantitative measurements. All I had to rely on was just a visual effect from the camera capture. So if my camera was better, I may be able to get a better look of the droplets. So the take-home message for today's video is, if you have everything at home, try this out. This is a simple experiment, and the link to the study is down in the description box below. So I hope you were able to see how masks work in this little simple experiment. Now if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also leave some comments down below so that we can discuss a little bit more. Now that's all for this week, and I'll see you again next Sunday for another video of COVID Update. Bye.